Welcome back to the channel. Today, we revisit one of the most heartbreaking and disturbing cases in Canadian crime history, the murder of Reena Virk. The crime shocked the nation, and at the center of it was a teenage girl named Kelly Ellard. Years later, people still ask, where is Kelly Ellard now? Let's find out. On the 14th of November 1997, 14-year-old Reena Virk was brutally beaten and drowned near Victoria, British Columbia. The attack involved a group of teenagers, but Kelly Ellard, just 15 at the time, was identified as the one who ultimately took Reena's life by holding her underwater. The horrifying nature of the attack perpetrated by peers against one of their own brought national attention to issues of teen violence, bullying, and racism. Ellard was arrested and, after multiple trials, finally convicted of second-degree murder in 2005. Kelly Ellard was sentenced to life in prison with no chance of parole for 7 years. While incarcerated, she maintained her innocence for years, only acknowledging some responsibility later on. She became a mother while still in prison, after conjugal visits with her partner. Over time, Ellard worked through rehabilitative programs and eventually gained eligibility for parole. Her case was highly scrutinized by the public, with mixed opinions about her capacity for change. Where is Kelly Ellard now? As of now, Kelly Ellard, now known as Kelly Schneider after legally changing her name, is living in British Columbia under full parole, which she was granted in 2020. Although she remains under lifetime supervision as part of her life sentence, she is now living in the community, raising her child, and attempting to build a new life outside of prison. She has kept a low profile and is not active publicly or on social media. All of her movements are monitored by parole officers, and any violations could send her back to prison. Reena Virk's murder left a deep scar on Canada and exposed the dark side of youth violence. Kelly Ellard's release continues to spark debate about justice, rehabilitation, and second chances. For many, the memory of Reena, a young girl seeking acceptance, will never fade. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on where they are now.